Morning everyone, this is Mike of MLB Accounting wishing you a happy Monday. A lot of our decisions in life will be wrong. That's how life works. We take actions, we make mistakes, and we keep moving forward. How do we know we make a mistake? Unfortunately, we have these things called emotions that can cloud our judgments. Sadly, you won't recognize a mistake until much later when everything seems in disarray. And even if you do recognize a mistake, emotions can make everything so much more difficult too. That's the reason why you are probably amazing at giving advice to your friends but aren't that great at making decisions. That's where the technique of zero-based thinking comes in, which can help us make the correct decision. It means knowing what I do now, would I still make the same decision? If the answer is no, then it's time to get out ASAP. I will give you some examples. Let's say you are a boss, and sooner or later you're going to make a bad hire. Then how do you know if you should let go of someone? Well, imagine if this person wasn't working for you. Think about what they have done in the past. Would you hire them again? If the answer is no, then you should let them go. Maybe they were a great employee in the past, but they can't keep up with the company's growth, or maybe they have gotten lazy the past few months. Let's say you are cleaning your house now, but it's hard to throw things because we spent money on it or because we have members associated with it. I have to ask myself, would I buy this again? Go through your closet and ask this question for each pair of clothing you bought. Whatever you wouldn't buy, give it to Salvos and someone will benefit from it. Let's say you are in a relationship with someone for 2 years and your partner has been prodding you to get married. If you apply zero-based thinking and ask yourself, if she wasn't your girlfriend or he wasn't your boyfriend, would you get into a relationship with her or him again, knowing what you know now? I am not encouraging people to end relationships, but just giving you to think deeper. Zero-based thinking is similar to sunk cost bias. A sunk cost is a cost that has already been incurred and cannot be recovered. Sunk costs are contrasted with prospective costs, which are future costs that may be avoided if action is taken. You now shouldn't let the cost affect future decisions. As an example, let's say you bought a non-refundable ticket to China costing $700 for a business or holiday trip. But with the onset of coronavirus, it doesn't seem right to go. Now you have to make the right decision whether to go or not. Wisdom suggests that you shouldn't go because you might lose more than $700 if you travel and get sick or get stranded in China. So better to let go of your $700 rather than lose more. That is why some people are such horrible gamblers. They'll be down some money and insist to keep on playing in order to get their money back. To conclude, don't be tied down to decisions you made before. Life changes, you become smarter and gain more wisdom. And that wisdom sometimes will tell you that you made a mistake. We can't change the past, but we can make better decisions for our future. Again, this is Mike of MLB Accounting and I will see you again in the next episode. Happy Monday and let us start the week right with today's Monday lesson.